Most of the times we might be requiring the factory reset, and most of us might be knowing how to do this factory reset. For the sake of others who don't know how to go ahead with factory reset, I'm showing this video. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such reach of content. So to do the factory reset, you have to straight away get into settings. This is the settings icon. Just tap it here. Upon tapping, you will get so many options here, and scroll down. At the end, you might be having okay reset options, or to find out the reset options, you have to get into system. Just tap on system. Upon tapping, you'll again get so many options here, and out of which advanced is one other option. And under the advanced options, I'll find reset options. You can also find in your mobile phone. To do the factory reset, you have to go and just tap on reset options. Upon tapping, this would be clearly giving indication like there are so many reset options, wherein if you want to do the factory reset, that is given down below here. Just tap it here. Upon tapping, this would be showing erase all data, factory reset. You can check. This would be prompting you that you will be losing your information if you are going for a factory reset. Upon just studying, just go ahead with the next option. That's all. Boom. Your factory reset will be done in a fraction of seconds or minutes, and then your factory as it is, whatever options you have got at this time of buying the mobile, all those will come back, and what are the problems you are facing before the factory reset would be eliminated completely. That's so much from this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.